checklist. If you stay till the end, I will have a link where you can actually click in the comments and or in the description, and you can just click on the link and fill out a form, and you will get this checklist for free. But I wanted to share this with you because these are some of the pitfalls that I experienced early on when I was investing in tax deeds. And so I wanted to share some of these items with you. I won't be able to go through all of them in detail, but I kind of wanted to just tell you what I just experienced. Now, I've been doing this for a while, and in 2021, I decided that I'm going to be like my students and go to places that I've never gone before. I've actually only stuck to certain counties that were closer to me. And now I'm realizing that I can expand my territory. I'm pretty much wanting to buy more properties with the money that I have, as opposed to spending maybe $50,000 on one property. I'd rather spend $50,000 on like 10 or 15 properties. So I decided that I'm going to go to two different counties. And the reason why I'm talking about this is because the very first thing that I have checked here is you must know the auction process for each county, because each county has a different process. Now, what I teach in my course is a process that you can pretty much do in any county. It's just understanding what you need to do within that process. And one of the things that I want to talk about is, understanding how the auction goes in that particular county. So, for example, as you can see, the third one right here says know where you should register for a bidder's permit. Now, I've been doing this for a while, and I decided that I'm going to drive 3 hours to go to this new area of this new county to, just to check it out, and so next month I can go bid there. And I was just totally shocked because I'm in Texas, and I've literally actively invested in 3 different counties, you guys, 3 different counties. Now, everyone does things a little bit differently, but pretty much, they make you, get a bidder's permit, and then they make you register at the auction. Now, that was kind of like my experience for 2 counties. The other county, you still had to register for a bidder's permit, but you didn't have to register the day of the auction. But this particular county, you not only did not have to have a bidder's permit, you did not have to register. You just sign up, and they literally wrote a number on a piece of paper. And I was like, oh my God, this is so crazy. And what was even crazier is that they were allowing you to buy these properties with a credit card. And I was like, oh my gosh, because in Dallas County and in Tarrant County, you have to have either cash or a cashier's check. Collin County, same thing, right? So I'm in this other county, and they're like, oh no, you could pay with a debit, credit, whatever you have, we're going to take it. And so I was like, what the heck? This is amazing. I was like, I'm definitely coming back to this county. So it's so important to know what the process is, because you could probably try if you were to go to that county first, you would be totally unprepared for the other county, right? So I'm saying this all to say that you need to really understand the process. And one of the things that I love about tax sale resources is that they pretty much give you a lot of information on where to go within the counties. And I also will have that as a resource. And they actually have lists. So you can actually practice on doing this checklist with their list that they provide, or the information that they give you for the tax sale auctions. Another thing too is I always tell people you must do your research before you actually buy the property. Now, I won't go into detail just for the sake of the time of this video, but if you want to know more detailed information about each one of these pitfalls to avoid, look at some of my other YouTube videos, but also click the link below, and you will get this checklist and a step-by-step process of some of the things that you should do if you're just starting out. Now, if this was helpful, please like and subscribe to the video. And I look forward to working with you or talking with you on YouTube. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful.